Hey, Tim here. Last few days been kind of crazy. I don't know how single people do it. I guess you get conditioned your whole life. I don't know, Bo. I don't even know. I might be missing something, but yeah, it's been crazy last few days, Bo. I dang, I've been wide open. I feel like I dang in some kind of midlife crisis I never had or something, Bo. I've been just feeling like I want to do something or I need something, and I just can't fill that hole. I guess living with somebody for 40 years and now gone. I just, I guess I don't know if I don't think I'm confused. I just can't get no satisfaction. I dang been working on things. I've been steadily, or consistently working on that dang mobile home every day. And then I'll come back and I'll work on that dang RV after I get all my chores and my rituals done. And, I've just been running around trying to think of things I want to do because I know I want to travel, and I've actually been looking at moving to another country or something, and there's some pretty cool stuff going on out there too. But I don't want to. I got to look into it more because I don't want to. I want to have my right to bear arms. I still want to be able to hunt and stuff. I don't want to just go to sit on a beach. I want to live, boy. I don't know, man. It's just crazy. I know. I think I'm gonna do some traveling. I don't know if I'm gonna sell the land, or I'll probably just keep a home base or sell part of the land. I even thought about getting just a pad out here for my RV to hook up to have like a little base for when I'm off traveling. I got a place to come back to. I don't know. I could rent both these places out. It's just crazy, Bo. The stuff that's been going through my head, Bo. I've been high strung the last couple of days. I mean, yeah, moments still hit me of my loss and all that, but just keep pushing through. And I remember when we bought the RV, me and my wife, we were looking for one, and she said we were looking at them, and we actually went to one. That sucker sold it before we got there. I'm like, whoa, man, we drove in all this heat and stuff, blah, blah, whatever. He sold it. And on the way back, we looked at another one, and she got upset, but it was just too far gone, man. I could see that. And we found another one, and it was up right at the borderline, North Carolina, South Carolina. It was a little haul. And she's like, well, dang, that's so far away. I was like, dang, well, we're looking for the perfect RV, but we ain't gonna find it in the backyard or, right here in town. So we took off up there and found the RV. That thing's been good to us, but we got it, kind of talked some money and stuff, and bought it and took off. I let her drive it. Bo, we got on the highway, Bo, she go, I call out like, damn, babe, you're doing 80, 85. She's like, yep. A couple seconds later, she's like, it's overheating. I'm going to stop the next gas station. I'm like, man, okay. It's no wonder. Dang, pull in there. I get out, I'm going to do my thing, figure out what the hell it is, cool it off and all that. Told her to pull up to a pump so we could get gas in it in case the gas gauges weren't right or something. And I go up there I'm checking stuff and all this. And Bo, she dang having a good old time. Now, this is the way you should live. Having a good old time. We're overheating, just bought this, 2 vehicles out on the road, way away from home. Bo, she's checking everything out, having a good old time. Boy, I'll never forget that, boy. It was great. And that's the kind of life I want to find again, is just living, man, and enjoying even the hard times. And that's why I've been working on my damn attitudes and my emotions and stuff. Because my daughters or whatever, or somebody can say just the wrong thing, and I know it's just hitting me harder. And I just try to focus back on how I'm feeling and realize it's not me, it's just a feeling I'm having. And anyways, man, it's crazy. If you got any dang ideas on what I could do with my life, like I say, I'm really thinking about doing some traveling. But comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you're going through things like this, man. Stick around, stick with me, help me out. I'll try to help you out. Somebody was wanting me to walk around on the land and show it around. I try to take videos in different spots of it. I don't know how long people sit there and listen to me walking down a trail, but I don't know how long they sit and listen to me talking like this. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna hang in there. I'm gonna keep pushing. I even I actually checked out some, I don't know if you'd call them dating sites, but places where I could talk to people. And I like filled halfway through it, and it started looking like a dating site. So I just popped out of it. But I need to find, I'm really looking for a travel companion, male or female. No, I don't go both ways now, but male or female, just somebody, you know, I'm on my same level, and, you know, like, you know, share expenses. I'm thinking either going out west to the Smokies, or I'm going down to the Mexican line down there by, I was thinking about Brownsville. But anyway, my grandparents used to go, they had me, and I ain't never been to Brownsville, but they had me out west a few times, and that's all they did was camp and stuff. It was awesome. But I don't know. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what's going on. I love to hear the comments, boy. It's more stuff to keep my mind occupied, because that's all I try to do. I ain't got no shortage of stuff to do today. I gotta make dog food for my kennel. So I don't buy it, I make it out of leftovers and stuff. And what else I got? Oh, I gotta cut some more trim up for I'm about sold out in the rain and all that. And I had a blade go dull, so I had plenty of stock, but my blade just went out. You can check that video out. That's it. Damn easy money, bo. You dang on your own terms. I mean, I guess I'll bring up the ebook again. Ebook down below, free. It says $3 donation, man. How to create an ebook, a course, anything. Check it out. It's free. I got Freedom is Discipline. I'm charging a little bit of money for that, but not really much. Just throwing it out there, you know. I like making money, man. I don't know. Keep your nose clean. Stay sharp. And oh, nobody. That's living, baby.